Hey YouTube, it's your boy D7 here, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create your very own free ringtones and text tones for all iDevices. So this works for iPhone, iPod Touch and iPad. Unjailbroken or jailbroken, this method works. Now in this video I'm just going to show you using my iPad 3 just so you can see that it does work on the latest iDevice unjailbroken. I'm using iTunes 10.6 and firmware supported are 5.1 all the way down to, of course, devices that do support ringtones and text tones. So in the bottom bar I've given you guys two promo sound packs that you can download to your desktop. One is the Windows 7 sound pack and the other is the Arcade sound pack, but again you can download whatever sounds, use this method and it will work seamlessly. So the first thing I want you guys to do, Windows 7, Vista and XP all works the same. I want you to click on your start, go to computer and go to organize. I want you to then to select folder and search options and then click on view. Now we need to unmask the extensions because we need to change some extensions later on. So I want you to untick that, click apply, then click OK. Now download one of the sound packs that I've given you in the bottom bar, and all you need to do is extract the RAR file to the desktop. And of course you can search whichever sound you like. I'm going to go for the chord, and as soon as you click on it, of course iTunes as the default player will open it up. So on the desktop I want you to create two folders just so you can keep everything nice and in line, and I'll call one folder ringtones and I'll call the other folder just tones. Okay, so in our iTunes of course we can see the text tone that I've chosen, and all I need to do now is right click on that and we need to create an AAC version. So once we've created the AAC version, it will appear below your original, and what we want to do now is drag that file onto the tones because that's going to be my SMS tone. And for the ringtone, of course, all you need to do is search a track that you really like, so whatever you've got, as long as it's obviously not protected. But now 9 times out of 10 all the tunes you download from iTunes or wherever you get them from aren't protected, so you'll be able to do this with pretty much any tune. Okay, so once you've found a tune that you like, all you need to do is right click on that, get info and go to options, and you're gonna need to make about a 30-second window. All the SMS tones that I've given you in the bottom bar are around the right time, so it's about 1 to 3 seconds for an SMS tone, and for a ringtone you want it to be around 30 seconds. So play the track, get it to the drop obviously that you want it to be at, and amend it so I know that this tune drops at 56 seconds, and then of course to make it a 30-second clip I need to add 30 seconds onto there, so 1:26. Okay, so once you've done that we want to right click on the track and then create an AAC version. So this now has created a 30-second clip here at the bottom. So I then can now drag and drop that into my ringtones. So I've got the ringtone I want, I've got the SMS that I want. You then can delete the 30-second clip and of course make sure that your track then goes back to its original timing. And you can also delete the SMS tones just so your iTunes is back and tidy. Now remember when we allowed the extensions to be unhidden, we can now on the text tone we need to right click on there and we need to click on rename, and just here where it says M4A we need to turn that into M4R so iTunes reads it as a SMS ringtone. So when it asks you whether you would like to change the file extension, you want to click yes. That's done. Then into the ringtone, exactly the same. Right click on the track, rename, and make it M4R. Return and accept. Okay, so all you need to do now in iTunes is click on Tones, and you can see here that I have absolutely no tracks or SMSs. And in ringtones, I can just drag and drop that in there. And in SMS tones, I can do exactly the same, drag and drop into my iTunes. And again, I'm running on the latest 10.6 iTunes, and you can see that they have transferred exactly. So all we need to do now is, of course, connect the device via USB. And just at the top here, make sure you're clicking on tones and that you are ticked. So of course the tones will transfer to your device. Okay guys, now that the tones and the ringtone has been transferred, I'm going to switch to the device and test it out. Okay guys, so let's test it out. All we need to do now on the device is go into Settings, General, and then click on Sounds, and of course select Ringtone, and you'll see the two that you've created will be above the originals. So I'm going to select my ringtone, and then we can also select the SMS tone and just scroll down, and you'll see the one that you created here again under ringtones. And again, when you have more time, you can change all your sent mail, tweets, and the rest of it however you like it. So let's just quickly test it out. Let's just call the iPad. So guys, that's how to create free ringtones and text tones. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please thumbs up if that helped you out. Comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys real soon.